Oh, what sound is that?
Look, the volcano is about to erupt. Oh my god. Oh my god. The eruption must be bigger than before.
Huh? Excuse me, Erupt. What the heck is that?
It's a natural phenomena.
Oh. What liquid is it?
That's lava and smoke gray is ash. Stay away from lava and ash flows.
Oh, okay. Hey, wait. You haven't told me what incident is it?
There's no time to explain. We have to move now.
Oh, wait. Don't forget to tell me what is it.
Volcano eruption is a phenomenon where a mountain bursts a large amount of materials, such as dust, hot lava, etc.
Eruption occurs when pressure with heat increases and magma rises through a crust. Volcano eruption can usually predict to minimal loss of life and property.
Eruption can be predicted when the temperature around the volcano rises, springs dry up, rumbling sounds, earthquakes, and so on.
First, like volcano eruption within gas is hot rock, ash rain, molten lava, and toxic gases. The eruption radius can be up to 18 kilometers or more, while the lava can float as far as 90 kilometers.
The volcano is about 450 kilometers from a coastal city in Russia's eastern region.
Clouds have been generating volcanic lightning too. Ashfall has made road travel dangerous in nearby towns.
So what happened to this person, bro? Just look at the mountain. To evacuate? Yes.
When the volcano about to erupt, you need to do this.
Audio Jungle.
First, follow the official warning. Second, prepare emergency equipment. Third, follow the evacuation routes.
Well, protect yourself from volcanic access. 5. Take shelter in evacuation. And lastly, stay in touch with family or relatives.
How terrible to turn around. It's so dangerous. Exactly. It proves that how powerful the power of nature is. You are selling well. Let's bring us to the end of our video. Keep that in mind. If you see a volcano erupt, stay away from the ash immediately. Okay, we are from Volcano Group, and with that, the report text about volcano eruption comes to an end. Goodbye, and thank you very much. Dah.
How come I take baby?